Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about Android radio button widget. What is a radio button widget? Radio button widget is having a two state, yes or no state, or we can say that as a selected unselected state, or we can say that as a enabled disabled state. Same like checkbox, radio button is having two state. Let's see how to create a simple radio button in our existing layout. So this is our existing layout. I'm tapping on split window here, so it will separate both the design and the coding part at the left side. Okay, so come to our layout section. This is checkbox, right? Same like we're going to give on radio button. Open tag, type radio button, and with this wrap content, it is also a wrap content. Okay, close the tag. Now see the right hand side design. Checkbox is having a squared shape, radio button is having a circle shape. Okay, both having a similar structure. Functionality is also same. Under radio button, I make checked equal to true, so by default it is false, that is why it is disabled. Now see, if it is checked, this is how it looks like. Okay, by default it is not checked one, so when I set false, this is now unselected. You can remove this as well, because previously by default this is false only. Okay, now if you want to add any text to this one, you can add text equal to mail. Okay, now let's run the app and see how it looks like. I'm running this application. My emulator is already up and running now. It will take some time, so meanwhile we'll check for other properties in the radio button. Okay, if you want to change the text color, you can do that as well. Text color, Android color / blue. Okay, see, this is in blue color now. Rerun the app and see the text in blue color. Okay, I'm running the app now, installing, and it is launching now. See how it is looking like. This is checkbox, this is radio button. Okay, consider when checkbox is selected, you can click on this one to unselect this one. When this is selected, right, you cannot modify this value. Then how can we unselect this one? This is where radio groups comes in. Okay, radio button groups. For example, go to this website, material.io components and radio buttons. Like we have discussed, right, radio button once selected, we cannot unselect it. We cannot unselect it again. This is because in some cases our Android application, right, we will give a bunch of options to the user. Their user can select only one option. So the best example is like setting phone ringtone. Here we have given lots of option to the user, maybe 100 plus or 200 plus options. By default it is there, or if you want you can give your custom song too. Okay, so in that case we have saw here like once this is selected, this is not unselected. So how to unselect that one? Come to this website and see the behavior of this one. See, when home is selected, it is going to selected state, and work is unselected. When work is selected state, by default it is unselecting the previous one. So when it comes to a group of option to user, and you are letting user to select only one option, right, at that point of time checkbox is not the right option. Radio button groups is the right option. Okay, so that's all about radio button and radio button groups in this video. Thank you for watching my channel. Let's meet in the next session.